Okay, welcome back. Another recipe today for you. Now, I've recently got myself an instant pot duo, which serves as a pressure cooker, an air fryer. You can mostly does everything apparently. It's all got all bells and whistles on it. So for what I'm going to try today, for the very first time, I'm going to use the saute feature and the pressure cook feature to do a chicken heart and chicken gizzard curry. Now I've got 350 grams here of chicken gizzards and hearts, which I got from my local Asian supermarket. You need to make sure any membrane is out of the gizzards. I've got 500 ml of water, half a tin of tomatoes. Now I've got 3 tablespoonfuls of a masala curry mix, which again I got from my local Asian store. All the spices already in there. You just use that to put in for a masala curry. I've got 4 cloves of garlic and a teaspoonful of ginger powder mixed up for paste, and 1 onion which is sliced, and some butter. I'm going to saute it. So I'm going to give this a shot and see how it comes out. Like I said, I've never done this before. First time using the pressure cooker feature and the saute feature. So turn the machine on and we'll see what happens. Right, so I've just pressed the saute button on there. It's come up with level 1 preheat. So I'll put some butter in the pan. I'm just waiting for that to melt now. Once that's finished heating up, it will actually tell you in the front, there's a little LED display. It will actually tell you when to add the food. So it's same preheating at the moment. I need to let that butter melt. But let's put a little bit more in there. And then what I'll do, once that's done, I'll put the onions in to saute them for a little bit, and then we're going to add the garlic and the ginger. I'm waiting for that. Right, it's now fashion to add the food, so I'm going to put the onions in there first of all. Break them up. You need to saute the onions first of all for a little bit. I've had to put the temperature up to level 2. It's going to be taking a long time to saute at level 1. It wasn't very sort of hot really. I'll put it up to level 2 and it seems to be coming on a little bit better now. So give them a little bit longer to saute to soften up a little bit more. Now putting in the garlic and the ginger paste. Spin round. Coming on nicely. Using the spoon, that's it. I'm now going to put in the chicken hearts and the gizzards now. Make sure they're getting cooked and coated both sides. It just seals the flavours in. Give it a little bit longer. That's coming along nicely now. What we need to do now is take all of this mixture out, put it on a separate plate. That all comes out. Get as much out of the pot as you can. Now, just put a bit of water bottom of the pan. I need to use a spatula, something soft or plastic I would imagine, not metal, just to scrape all these bits off the bottom, and that will actually stop it burning when it's in the pressure cooker stage. Give it a little bit of flavour as well. So I'll continue to do that until we come on to the next stage. So we're ready for the next stage now. So we put all the 500 ml of water in there. Half a tin of chopped tomatoes are going in. And all this masala spice mix from a local Asian store. It does smell quite nice already. And then in go the gizzards, hearts, onion. Now what we're going to do now is set this onto the pressure cooker setting. You need to close the lid down. That's on the pressure cooker setting. 20 minutes, steam release is on natural. So we press start and that will preheat and then it will count down. So I'll come back when that's all finished in 20 minutes time and we'll see how that's come out. Right, it's good for 20 minutes. Natural release is taking a bit longer than that. It's now saying it's okay to open the lid, so fingers crossed, let's see what happens. Unlock the lid. Steam to come out, give it a stir. It's a little bit watery, didn't pick up as much as I hoped it would do. The actual proof of the pudding will be in the eating. There we go, so let's give it a shot. Right, let's get a spoon. Let's see what it actually tastes like. A bit hot. A little bit more. A bit on the spicy side with that masala mix. Could have been a bit thicker. Overall, that's actually not bad. It is a bit spicy, that mix, but don't mind it too spicy. Very nice. Oh, there we go. Chicken heart and chicken gizzard curry done in an instant pot. My first attempt, I don't think that's too bad. It tastes nice, just needs thickening up a little bit. So there we go, and that's done for today. There we go, another recipe done. Chicken liver, chicken gizzard, masala curry. Wasn't too bad. So the flavours were there, lovely flavours. I thought it was a little bit thin, so even enough with the flour put in there, it didn't really thicken it up. So, but for my first attempt, it's not too bad. Anyway, look after yourselves, be kind to one another, and I'll see you on the next one.